In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Graco 4Ever 4-in-1 car seat. It says 10 years, one car seat, because most car seats don't even last that long. They're usually like 3 or 4 years. So this is high quality. You guys know, name brand. This is good to go. We're going to go over some specs. We're going to pull it out. I'm going to show you guys everything. So let's take a look at, like, you guys can see the different pictures. It's made for little guys and girls, and it goes to transition all the way until they're 8 years old, depending on how much pounds they weigh. Okay, so let's go into the first one. So you do have the rear facing. That's when they're small, when they're under 2 years, and they're gonna be facing the rear. And there's different levels, actually. I'll get into that in a second. Let's go into the next one. It's forward facing, okay? This is gonna be for most cases if they're 2 and up. And then you have the high back booster, and then you have the regular backless booster right here. So it is 4 different steps, and that's where you get the 4-in-1 car seat. So it goes from newborn all the way until they're 8, 9, 10 years, depending on how much they weigh, because it does say 40 pounds to 120 pounds. So if they're 120 pounds and they're 8 years old, that's what it is. Let me go ahead and turn it. Okay, so we do have the simple safety adjust harness system. This is it right here, and I do like that. I'm going to show you guys what that is in a second. It does have the one hand 10 position adjustable headrest, and that just clicks and it goes up and down in 10 positions. That's pretty cool, and it goes up pretty far in case you do have a tall toddler or little boy and girl. Okay, so we got 6-position recliner. That's what I was going to show you guys. So when you're facing back or you're facing forward, either way, you could actually recline it so they could go to sleep while they're doing a car ride. And then you have the in-right latch system. That is very good because it has those metal little hooks inside the actual seat of the vehicle, and it clicks in there, and then you can actually pull the strap. It's gonna make it nice and secure. It just has all the tests right here. It's front tested, impact, side tested, rear tested. It is good to go. So let's go ahead and open it up and take it out. We just pulled it out of the box. It was in a bag. I do like that it was in a bag because it keeps it nice, clean, all that good stuff. This was actually attached right here to the seat belt, and it does have a manual, and it does have 2 cup holders which go right here and right here. Let me go ahead and actually pull them out so you guys can see them. Okay, so here goes the cup holders. They do have a little like kind of hook right here and on the bottom. So we're just gonna go ahead and place these in. Okay, so they kind of just slide into the groove that's up here, and then this go ahead and that clicks onto the bottom. So this is the safety harness. It comes with 2 sleeves right here for the protection. That way the actual strap is not digging into your child's neck. Okay, so all it is these little clips. You just go ahead and push those and pull out, and this is what the clip looks like. Let me show you guys again. It goes in just like that. And then it just has that traditional seat belt. All you gotta do is push it in, and then it has these 2 metal clips. One goes in like that, one goes in like that. And that's how the clip system works right here. It does have this extra padding, so when your child is very young, you could have them in here, and then this easily removes. All you have to do is take this off. Actually, let me take it off so you guys can see. This comes off, and also this padding comes off. So when they get bigger, that way, they're not stuck in here, and they can actually sit down nice and freely in there. So that is what I want to show you guys. I also wanted to show you guys the 10-position harness, right? It goes up and down, and it is, you can just do it with one hand, so that is pretty cool. I mean, you can use both hands, but the cool thing is, like, look how high this goes. So if you guys have a tall child and they're growing and you want to have them in here, it goes all the way up, and also, it goes all the way down, and you guys could hear that click. It clicks right in there. Okay, so I do like that. I do like the color scheme. The color scheme is good for boys or girls. It goes for both, so I do like that. I do want to show you the strap. Okay, so what you do, there's a little button on here. I can't really show you guys. It goes all the way in there, but if you push the button, you could actually pull on these straps and then make it go bigger. If you want it nice and tighter, you actually just have to pull on the strap right here. You guys seen that went in right there. So that's what that strap is. We already talked about the car seats. I do want to show you the button of the recliner. So it is right here. All we have to do is pull out on it. Let me go ahead and turn it to the side. As you guys can see, it has 6 different recliner positions. We got 1, 2, 3, that's for rear facing. We have 4, 5, 6, that's for forward facing, okay? So all we have to do is hit the button, and you guys could see, look at that. We have 6 different levels, and then you can see this is the position right here, okay? Right now it's on position 1, okay? That's 2. We have 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is upright, as you guys can see. You got it upright, and that's for the forward facing, okay? The other ones are for the rear facing. You guys can see it does have a level right here. I do like that. It's pretty cool. All right, so I wanted to talk about the in-right latch system. This is it right here, you guys. This goes to the hooks, right? So depending on which way you got it. So this is if it's forward facing, and let's just say the seat is right here. This actually clicks right in to the little metal hooks that are inside for safety reasons, right? So it just clicks right in there. You could actually hit the button to undo it, but I do like that. Like, this is very, very easy. Usually they have these little hooks that you got to go in and you got to try to get in there, but this is like the easy way of doing it right here. It clicks in just like that, and I want to show you the other side. It does have another one right here, so this actually goes and clicks onto the hooks too, so your child is going to be nice and secure. So I definitely recommend this car seat for your child, and of course, you know, it's a 4-step, so it grows with them, so you're going to be having this for 10 years, and I really do like it.